Today's trick is the 360 kickflip, aka the tray flip, aka the 3-flip. Basically, for this trick, you gotta have a good pair of shoes, preferably non-skate shoes, some Nikes, good solid board, some good wheels. What you're gonna do is get your balance, front foot about yay, a little bit below the bolts, back foot on the tail. A little bit of your toes hanging off, just a little. You're going to do a standard ollie, but when you ollie, use your back foot to flick it around. Board flips, front foot catches it, back foot catches it, and then roll away. Pretty easy.
Hello, that was Trick Tips. The trick was 360 kickflips, aka the tray bomb. The featured skateboarder for this week was Adrian Siemtua, really good friend of mine. So if you don't know how to do 360 flips by now, then just kind of give up, because it's really easy. It's not hard at all. NAU.edu/plaid. Check it out. Keep you informed for what's going on campus and other good news. Until next week, have a good one. Peace.